the first category really for the top 20 that you can grow in Arizona really fits one of the C's of Arizona, and that's our citrus family. So it's a whole family of citrus, and there's 7 of them that I'd highly recommend because they are top producers for Arizona. And the first category is oranges. Now, oranges is kind of a broad category, but one of the top producers that we've had in Arizona is the Valencia variety. And that one's very sweet, ideal for your backyard garden, really easy to grow. It's more of a semi-dwarf, so you got a nice round shape. It holds up against the cold and the heat, so it's a really good one. Mere improved lemon. Well, go ahead. You were about to say something.
Well, the produce season.
Produce season for that one. I mean, that's the other thing too. My citrus, that's part of the reason why I'm starting with the citrus category, because we're in that season right now. I mean, pretty much end of December through February into March, we've got citrus. That's our citrus season. It's a pretty long season. If you're interested, at agriscaping.com, if you're on our newsletter, we've got a free year-round fruit guide with all the sub-varieties and all the little things. So a lot of detail to know, like if you want year-round fruit, you can do that in about 8 trees. You just got to make sure you pick the right tree and you get it in the right spot. And so way more. I mean, I've got 50 fruit trees on that list, but the top 20, obviously, we're going through today.